Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. We're here today to take a look at the 2024 Yamaha AR195. One of the most fun boats you're going to drive and absolutely perfect for Lake Wylie. I'm sitting here on the bow. Plenty of storage throughout this boat. We're not going to take a look at each and every compartment. That's what a visit is for. But you do have lots of space up here. And as we come into the cockpit area, this is an unbelievably comfortable helm. You've got lots of options here with your tilt steering, your Bluetooth radio, additional phone holder, lighting, horn, and your bilge. You also have your 3-speed no wake mode. So if you're just cruising along and you want to go a little faster or a little slower, you could do that at the touch of a button. Now, before I get too far, you're going to see all of these snaps in the floor. We keep all of the snap down flooring until delivery. It looks amazing. Additional storage here with your bow filler cushion, your cooler, and your table mount, which is going to be mountable in your cockpit. Great sound system. Additional storage here with your battery shut-off switch. And then we're going to take a quick peek at the 4-cylinder SVHO. Unbelievable motor, 50-mile-per-hour boat, close to it. Like I said, lots of fun. As we come back to the transom here, you've got your upholstered, cushioned backrests and your nice swim platform. So lots to do for everybody on the water. Again, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie, and our phone number is 803-831-2101. Thank you.